In this video, I will be showing you how to install Google Antigravity on Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Antigravity. We'll be having the official link antigravity.google. Just select this. Here we are having download for Windows option. Click here, and here we are having Antigravity 2.0. We have for Mac, Windows and Linux. I will just go with the Windows 1. The download will be getting started. This is around 137 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it. We'll be getting this Antigravity setup. That's it. We'll be directly getting welcome to Antigravity. We can sign in with Google or else use the cloud project. I will just go with continue with Google. It will redirect you to the browser and just select the Google account to sign in. After you do that, just click on next and just select the theme of your choice. Click on next. And if you want to check any of these, it's up to you. I will just click on finish. We are inside Antigravity. So if I click it, the version is 2.0, which is the latest updated one. And here we are having the latest Gemini 3.5 Flash, also 3.1 Pro. We're having the Sonnet model and Opus also. If you want to create a project, click on this create new project. We're having new project. So if I select new project, click on add folder. This will direct me to the folder where I want to create a project. So if you're already having some existing project, you can give that location. Or else if you don't want to do any of those, you can simply click on quick start. This will instantly create a project directly inside the workspace itself. So I'm going with a simple prompt, create me the best login screen in HTML and CSS. So this is the response that I get. It has created me an implementation plan. So if you want to make any corrections, we can do that. I will just go and say do whatever you want to. So it has created 3 files, HTML1, CSS and JavaScript, and apart from that it's given me a task. So these are the stuff it has done, a walkthrough which basically gives us the key features implemented and other stuff. We are having 6 points over here, and these are the lines of code in 3 files. We can simply click on review and it shows us the code beautifully over here, and this is how it looks. That's absolutely stunning. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.